Welcome to CAD Concepts. We will explore 5-dimension Lisp routine in AutoCAD. How you can automate your dimensioning that saves you time and effort. Okay? Must watch out completely. You will get amazing insights here. So, without wasting time, let's begin. Number 1. Dimension centimeter to feet. This plan we have and this P line we have. These dimensions we are getting in centimeter. But what I say, I can convert into feet quickly in no time. DMF command. Just select all and hit enter. Now you see here. Before it was in centimeter. Now you are getting in feet and inches. So you don't need to go manually in property. Directly you can switch your centimeter to feet in one time. Same as it is here also. Select all, hit enter. Now you see here. This way you can simply convert your centimeter to feet dimension in one time. You can download these Lisp routine just by joining membership, or you can explore advanced automation task. Number 2. Match dimension text. Well, I want to match dimension text and color. If you see here, this dimension style we are getting like this as it is, but without affecting layer and height. Okay, let this here. MDIM, which is match dimension. Select your text, which one you want to apply. Select this one. Select all the dimension and hit enter. Now you see here. See, you can quickly match your text over the dimension without affecting layer. Okay, this one also. Select all and hit enter. As you see here, same as it is. This third one and select all, hit enter. This is the only way to quickly change your dimension text style without affecting layer. Okay, now you see here. This is the only way to quickly change your dimension style for text. For example, this plan we have, okay. I want to quickly change its style. Let this one and select all and hit enter. Now you see here. You are getting color also got changed. This one, select all and hit enter. Now you see here. Your dimension text scale will not affect, only style and color. If you see here, this way speedily you can switch your dimension text without going property. Number 3. Quick dimension scale. Now you don't need to go in property to scale dimension. Okay, let this here. SDM, which is scale dimension, and input text height. Your dimension text height. Okay, let this here 2 unit. Select all the dimension and hit enter. Now you see here, you're getting smaller. Now I want to make bigger. Type here 4, select all and hit enter. Now you see here. So you don't need to go in property to change your dimension height. Select all and enter. This is the fastest and perfect way to place your dimension scale. Number 4. P-line dimension. P-line we have, I want to place dimension in one time. PLDIM and click over the P line and choose dimension distance for offset. Okay, now you see here you are getting in one time your complete P line dimension. You are getting feet. If you'll go in decimal digit, you can customize your decimal digit also. Now you see here PLDIM, select your P line, choose offset distance and hit enter. So this way you can perfectly place your P-line dimensions. Number 5. Error dimension. Very important Lisp routine here we have. Okay, let this here. EDIM, select all and enter. See what happened exactly. Few dimensions got selected. Why? When I enter, I'm getting few dimensions got selected. So the reason is these dimensions we are getting manipulated, means these all the dimension edited dimension, not accurate dimension. For example, if I will take this one, if you see here, actual dimension 302, but manipulated dimension we are getting 300. For this 526, but we are getting 500. So if you have anywhere manipulated dimension you want to quickly identify, you can identify using this powerful Lisp routine. So this way you can find out in your entire drawing your manipulated dimension. I hope you got this Lisp routine helpful. Must explore more than 300 plus advanced automation tasks. To download directly these Lisp routines along with ebook that explain each and every Lisp with facts and figure, just check out the link below. Must like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubt, must leave your feedback.